So today I will be making Greek whole chicken wings with baby potatoes and broccoli, and these are the ingredients that I will be using. First, I set the oven to 375. And this is me prepping the chicken. I'm actually washing all of the chicken and putting it into the bowl before I season it. So this is what the chicken looks like inside of the bowl before I season it. For the chicken, I will be using adobo. Pepper. It's a lot of pepper. I had to make sure it's seasoned really good. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Smoked paprika. Oregano. Minced garlic. And I use 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Lemon juice. And I used a lot of lemon juice for this. And King Simply vinaigrette Greek dressing. I also used a lot of Greek dressing. So this is me just speeding up the process of me mixing all of the seasoning together into the chicken. This is what the chicken looks like after I mix it up. And now we are doing the baby potatoes. So I'm rinsing off the baby potatoes just to make sure they're clean before I actually go ahead and prep them. Me speeding up the process of me cutting the potatoes. While I was doing this, I thought that I had used too many potatoes in the process, but I didn't. This is after I cut them. And for the potatoes, I will be using adobo. And simply vinaigrette Greek dressing. Minced garlic. I used 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and now I am mixing everything together. That's what they look like after I mix it together. And now this is me putting the chicken inside of the pan. I had realized that I needed to put oil inside of the pan to make sure that, you know, when you take it out, it doesn't stick. So this is me putting the oil in there. And now I'm putting the chicken back into the pan. And now I'm putting the potatoes in the pan as well. This is what it looks like when I put the chicken and the potatoes together. And now I'm just, you know, washing the dishes to be sure that everything is clean while I'm cooking. Because I don't like to have dishes in the sink while I'm cooking. I can't stand that. That's a pet peeve of mine. So this is me putting it in the oven, and I'm showing you guys what it looks like. So it needs to be in the oven for an hour and 10 minutes. So that's what it's doing. It's cooking right now. So while that's going on, I'm putting all of the ingredients away so that I can go ahead and prep the broccoli. Now, this requires lemons, and I was sitting here thinking, do I need to use all of these lemons, or do I just need to use 3? I just need to use 3. I don't know why I bought 6 lemons when I only needed 3 lemons for this process. I'm taking the stickers off of the lemon, and I'm just going to cut both ends on each lemon, cut them in half, and then make 3 slices of each half. So this is me prepping the broccoli. I put the broccoli inside of a big blue bowl and just rinsed them off to ensure that they were clean before I actually steam them. I like to steam my broccoli. You guys let me know down in the comments how you like to cook your broccoli. I prefer it steamed because it tastes so much better. And for the water, you only use a cup. But I just kind of went eye level with it. So for the broccoli, I put it on 4. And then I just go ahead and put the broccoli inside of the pan. For the broccoli, I use pepper. And I use 2 slices of butter. Put the top on it and just let it cook. I was trying to make sure it was like really closed so that no air gets out. This is what it looks like after it's done cooking. You guys didn't actually get to see me put the lemons in, so that was after the fact. This is me cutting up the parsley to put on the meal after it's done cooking. You put in the parsley and the lemon, potatoes, and chicken. And that's what that looks like. I didn't get to actually show you guys what the recipe looked like on a plate, but it was good.